Welcome back to the 2018 Institution of Structural Engineers Yorkshire Region Structural Awards. And now for the final award of the evening, that of Best Large Project. There were 8 shortlisted projects in this category and all were of a high calibre. The first project in this category is the Hull Venue Arena, submitted by BAM Design. BAM Design was brought into the project to complete the Stage 4 and 5 design of the superstructure and foundations. Budget issues required significant value engineering, resulting in BAM Design, together with venue operator SMG, reworking the Stage 3 design in order that the project could be delivered within the constraints of the client's programme. Key to the design brief was the ability to divide the venue in order to create flexible conference and exhibition space. By deploying a 10-metre high movable partition wall located part-way up the fixed terrace seating, the building can be split into 2 usable spaces when operating in conference mode. In order to attenuate any breakout of sound, a double roof structure was constructed with an air separation of approximately 600 millimetres. The upper roof structure was also isolated at all steelwork connections using acoustic packs to meet the performance requirements stipulated in the planning conditions. The judges were impressed with the way the designers created adaptable, striking, internal and external environments to provide a top quality international arena for Hull and providing a legacy for its status as 2017 UK City of Culture. The second project in this category is Halifax Peace Hall, submitted by Bureau Happold. This Grade 1 listed pre-industrial building, constructed in 1779, is the only surviving cloth hall from the Georgian period, in which so-called pieces of woven woolen fabric were produced on hand looms and then traded. This was engineering at its most demanding, requiring rigour, innovation and thorough understanding of the issues in dealing with listed structures, whilst ensuring the results satisfied all stakeholders. The goal was to preserve the historically protected nature of the structure while also transforming the overall site into a vibrant heritage asset for future generations, giving a new legacy to the local community. Featuring bars, restaurants, cafes and shops, a gallery and new history education and visitor centres, Bureau Happold's commission also included the redesign of the Peace Hall's 6,100 metre square open-air piazza to host cultural events for as many as 7,000 people at a time. The project was delivered to a high standard, overcoming numerous structural difficulties through a collaborative and creative working approach. The result is an aesthetically appealing solution that respects its proud history and providing a functional and sustainable solution for the client. The third project in this category is Grantley Hall, submitted by GHD. Grantley Hall is a Grade 2 listed luxury 5-star hotel and wellness retreat. It offers a unique combination of luxury accommodation, spa and wellness facilities, and a diverse range of dining experiences, all set in 30 acres of mature landscaped grounds. The developments included a restoration of the existing hall and a new build spa with luxury bedrooms adjacent to the hall. The design focused on being timeless, contemporary and blending seamlessly with its countryside setting. Using state-of-the-art software packages and 3D modelling, GHD undertook extensive option studies focused on simplifying construction, reducing costs and minimising waste to produce a cost-effective, sustainable solution. Other sustainable measures incorporated into the design include a ground source heat pump drilled to a depth of 160 metres to abstract energy from the ground, and which also has the ability to extract and supply spring water from the underground aquifer. The judges were impressed with the attention to detail paid in overcoming a wide range of technical challenges, whilst respecting the heritage of the original hall. The judges were particularly impressed with the coordination between client, designers, contractor and specialists to produce a high-quality, modern and efficient hotel building, which minimised waste and maximised energy efficiency. The fourth project in the large projects category is the Piazza Learning Centre, submitted by Curtains Consulting Engineers. The new home to the International Pathways College, the Piazza Learning Centre is a game changer for the University of York, strengthening its position within the growing international student market and a key part of its master plan to reinstate its position within the world's top 100 universities. The building's location, scale and orientation was determined as part of the overall Heslington East Campus Master Plan. In dealing with an exposed site, the plan sought to design buildings which would create temperate microclimates across the campus, creating outdoor spaces in which building users could be sheltered and comfortable throughout the year. Accordingly, the Piazza Learning Centre has been designed on an arc, wrapping around a retained oak tree which creates a sheltered garden to the north, whilst addressing the wide expanse of the piazza and the campus lake to the south. An ambitious community investment plan helped maximise apprentice, training employment and local supply chain opportunities. Outcomes included jobs for 8 local people, supporting 161 apprentice weeks and placing 82% of subcontracts locally, stimulating an extra £38 million to the local economy. The designers are commended on the way they have created a striking, world-class environment focused on the provision of high-quality teaching spaces in an efficient, flexible and adaptable manner. The next project for us to look at in the large project category is Godiva Place in Coventry, submitted by Sigmat Limited. Sigmat is based in Skipton, North Yorkshire, and specialises in the design, manufacture, assembly and installation of load-bearing, light-gauge steel frame structures for clients seeking a faster and more cost-effective off-site manufactured modern construction solution. Godiva Place is a new, high-quality 772-bed student accommodation scheme in Coventry city centre, scheduled to finish in September this year. The development, which comprises of 5 blocks of 4 to 9 stories, is part of Coventry University's ambitious long-term plans to expand its education and campus facilities. The open plan, flexible, communal facilities include social spaces, reception, laundry and study areas, with parking for both cars and bicycles. Light gauge steel frame systems have the advantage of speed over more traditional methods, being up to 50% faster in terms of delivery time. Effective collaboration with the main contractor, Galliford Try, ensured that the new 5-block, 24,500 metre squared scheme completed its weathered envelope nearly 3 months ahead of schedule, ensuring the building is complete for commencement of the 2018-19 academic session. The judges were impressed with the way SIGMAT applied their innovative structural system to procure a high-quality building that utilised the obvious benefits of a system-built product. The next project in this category is the Unilever Advanced Manufacturing Centre in Cheshire, submitted by GHD. Unilever initially commissioned GHD to undertake a feasibility study to identify the best location for a pioneering advanced manufacturing centre at their Port Sunlight site in Cheshire. On completion of this study, Unilever extended GHD's commission to provide multidisciplinary engineering services to inform construction of the facility, including structural engineering of the ambitious column-free design. The delivery team consisted of GHD, BAM Construction, Arcadis, Hawley and DLA Architecture to deliver a state-of-the-art 7,500 metre squared facility that has a striking facade elevation. Part funded by the UK Regional Growth Fund, it has also been critical in jobs and skills protection. The team structurally engineered single-span, open-plan pilot plant with minimum partitions and no structural columns. This means Unilever can rapidly hook up new manufacturing units in flexible layouts. The roof structure includes a 3-metre service void woven through the 55-metre clear-spanning Warren trusses. Services drop to machines at the floor level through droppers to provide maximum flexibility and space on the floor of the facility. The Advanced Manufacturing Centre employs the most up-to-date utilities for water heating, lighting and air conditioning, and roof-mounted solar panels, with it achieving a very good rating for environmental performance from BREEAM. The penultimate project in this category is 7 and 8 Wellington Place, submitted by Billington Structures. This is a new multi-storey mixed-use development in Leeds city centre for developer MEPC and consists of a 9-storey, 3,000-ton steel frame with composite floors and in-situ concrete stability cores. The structural engineering design was undertaken in partnership between Curtin's Leeds office for stability cores and basement structure, and Billington Structures Barnsley office for the structural steel frame and suspended composite floor slabs. The architectural design was undertaken by Shepherd Robson and construction undertaken by Waits Construction. 7 and 8 Wellington Place is a highly structurally efficient design. By having early input into the positioning of columns, the structural engineering designers were able to maximise composite slab spans and utilise varying deck gauges and material grades to achieve spans close to 4 metres. This permitted the use of fewer secondary beams, bringing cost savings and flexibility to M&E layouts with larger open areas and service routes. Curtins and Billington Structures have demonstrated their technical abilities to produce a highly efficient and cost-effective design for this feature building on the Wellington Place development. Working closely together from the very early design stages has allowed both parties to demonstrate their strengths and provide technical expertise to achieve the target of a successful building for the client and end users to a strict development budget. The final project in this category is the Advanced Manufacturing Building at the University of Nottingham, submitted by Arup. Immediately recognisable as a dynamic and powerful statement at the entrance to the University of Nottingham's Jubilee campus, the Advanced Manufacturing Building provides 9,000 metres squared of bespoke research facilities for a series of high-end manufacturing research departments. The new building is home to the university's Institute for Advanced Manufacturing and provides a unique environment for collaboration between university departments and manufacturers of all sizes, from major multinational corporates to small and medium-sized local companies. To give the university departments the ability to react to future requirements, IStructE developed an adaptable engineering strategy to allow for changes in equipment and space usage. An example of this approach is the continuous slot between the gantry crane columns and the mezzanine slab, which provides space for large general-purpose extract ventilation ducts, as well as local supply and extract ducts, which the university can add or amend as required with the changing use of the surrounding spaces. The project successfully delivered BREEAM Excellence in line with the university's sustainability agenda, which drove many decisions throughout the design process. IStructe's Sheffield office provided a full multidisciplinary role from concept to occupancy, and the building was delivered to programme and came in under budget against tight cost constraints.